Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce my name is Undi Malida. I will explain about the 5E learning method. The 5E learning cycle is a constructivist-based science learner model and a series of subject phases that are organized in such a way that students can master that the competition that must be achieved in learning by taking an active role. 5 e-learning stage 1 engage, 2 explore, 3 explain, 4 elaborate, 5 evaluate. 1 engage. Engagement engage or involvement is a phase when the teacher tries to focus student attention and engage student in a new concept by asking motivational questions, providing an overview of the material to the student, demonstration or other activities used to open student knowledge and develop a sense of belonging. Student curiosity. In this page, the teacher explores student prior knowledge to determine the level of knowledge and student talk about the concept to be student. The most important thing in this page is that the teacher avoid defining and making explanation about the concept to be discussed. Explore. Exploration is the second phase, which is often manifest in laboratory activities, practicum, and group discussion. This phase provides a real experience for students. Students are invited to be directly involved in the phenomenon or situation they are investigating. Students will in the past decide and conduct experiments or practicum, test hypotheses, and collect data, information to solve problems given by the teacher. Students are involved physically and mentally. As a result of their mental and physical involvement in the activity, students will be able to form relationship, observe pattern, identify variable, and ask questions. The teacher acts as a facilitator or guide who redirect students to be able to explore, and when answer to be question give. Teacher only have to guide student, not fully participate in student work. The most important thing when the teacher is guiding is that if you see a student error, you should not immediately correct it, but must provide some instruction or show some ways for students to correct themselves. Meanwhile, students interact with each other and are not passive. Explain. Explanation. Explain. This space when student attention is focused on certain aspect of their experience in the previous class. Students are given the opportunity to demonstrate their understanding of concept, process, skill, or behavior. The word explanation means the act or process by which a concept, process, or skill becomes clear and understandable. Student conducts group in discussion to analyze the data information collected from the activities in the previous phase. The teacher guides students to convey the results of the activities they have done using their own ideas and words, so that it is hoped that conceptual understanding emerges from the experience after carrying out the activity. The teacher provides a formal definition and scientific explanations. Furthermore, by explaining the basic level of knowledge to students, teachers solve whenever possible help students to integrate their experience together, to explain their result and to form new concepts. The purpose of the stake is to correct errors in student findings before the next stage. For elaboration is a path that can be considered as an extension of the research step due to the problem of supplementation. This path facilitates students to be able to apply the concept they have acquired based on the activities they have done into new situations or problems. The new problems has an identical or similar solution to what was discussed earlier. Students use the newly learned concept in different situations or repeat several applications related to the concept learning so that they become input into their long-term memory and become permanent. During the elaboration phase, students can be re-engaged in discussion and information-seeking activities. Student identify problems and collect information needed to solve problems through discussion. 5. Evaluate. Evaluate is a phase when teachers find out the quality and quantity of students' understanding of the topic they have learned. This phase can be realized in formal or informal methods. The teacher asks questions and makes students respond orally or in writing. In addition, students are asked to relate what they have learned to real life situations. This phase is the phase where students can show their attitude about learning and can change their thinking style or behavior. Informal evaluation can occur at the beginning and through the second of the 5E learning cycle model. Disadvantages of learning 5E. According to Cohen and Koch in Wibowo et al. 2010, the application of the learning cycle model provides the following advantages. 1. Increasing learning motivation because students are actively involved in the learning process. 2. Help develop the scientific attitude of learners. 3. Learning becomes more meaningful. The advantages of learning 5E. The advantages of implementing the learning cycle model that must always anticipate are as follows. When the active effectiveness of learning is low if the teacher does not master the material and learning steps. 2. Demanding the sincerity and creativity of teacher in designing and implementing the learning process. 3. Requires a more planned and organized class management. 5. Requires more time and energy in planning and implementing learning. That's all from me. Hopefully it's useful. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.